Spectacular gadgets.
What's going on, everyone? This is just a quick video on how to install your SIM if it hasn't already been done for you. You're going to need a few things. First off, obviously, you're going to need your SIM card from either your old device, or if this is a new line for you, you'll need this. Then secondly, with most new phones or all new phones, they give you this tool right here. It may look different depending on your device, but this is called a SIM ejector tool. And what you're going to really need is this bottom part right here, this pin, to be able to push into the SIM tray door. Now, if you don't have this tool, no worries. You can also just get a small paper clip and you can unfold it. You're going to want to use this part right here, and this you can go ahead and stick inside the SIM tray door and it'll do the same thing. Then you're going to have to figure out where your SIM tray door is. This is the S24 Ultra, so my SIM tray door is right here on the bottom. So this is where you're going to use the SIM ejector tool. Don't get it confused with the hole right here. This is the mic hole, so be careful when you're inserting the SIM ejector tool. Then all you're going to have to do is take the pin part of that tool and put it inside of the SIM tray door. And then watch, I'll push down just a little bit and see it popped up just enough for me to be able to use my fingernail to pull it out. So here is the SIM tray door, and you see it says SIM. And with this phone, it's even telling you that check the SIM card tray, because it's smart enough to know that it's out. On this little SIM tray, this is going to tell you the direction of the SIM card. So if you can see, hopefully you can see, it's telling me the part where there's a little cut in the SIM tray. The part where there's a little cut in the SIM card is the part that needs to go up. So here's my SIM card, and this is what I mean. There's one part of the card that's slightly angled. So this tray is telling me this is the right side up. So I'll snap it in. And most of these SIM tray doors are the same, but just make sure you are following the little picture on the door. And then all you do is place it back inside of your phone and make sure you have the circle matching up with the circle on the phone. So I have it. Go ahead and place the SIM card back in, close it up, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then, as you see, my card is in. It's telling me it's already reading it. So that is how you're going to go ahead and install your SIM card if it hasn't already been done for you. I'll see you on the next tips and tricks.